Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to perform integration by substitution so you'll be up to speed in no time. Now this question wants us to use the substitution x is equals to sine theta. So whatever x values that you see here, it's going to be replaced with the expression involving sine theta. Now if you are new to this, do note that the upper and lower limits of the integral are all in terms of x because we are integrating with respect to x. Now the very first step you can do in this question is to replace the limits to the value of theta. So in this case, when x is equals to 0, 0 is equals to sine theta and theta is equals to 0. Similarly, for the upper limit, when x is equals to half, half is equals to sine theta, and if you have memorized your special angle, theta is thus pi over 6. Now always leave your answer in radians mode when you're integrating a trig function. Now as you can see over here, the limits are now replaced to 0 and pi over 6 respectively. Now for the second step, replace all the x that you see to sine theta, giving us square root 1 minus sine square theta. But hang on, how about this dx over here? So this brings us to the third step. Differentiate the substitution expression with respect to theta. So dx over d theta is simply cosine theta, and this implies that dx is equals to cosine theta d theta. So you see that this represents dx, so put it immediately beside the expression and replace dx with it. If you see that the expression consists of all terms in theta, you are now ready to proceed to the next step, which is to simplify. For integrating even powers of sine and cosine, always make use of the cosine double angle formula. So we should choose this formula over here to give us cosine 2 theta plus 1 over 2. Now before I start to integrate, I'm going to bring out the denominator too so that I can make my life easier when I integrate this expression. So by integrating, we will have half sine 2 theta over 2 plus theta, pi over 6 and 0. Now to simplify further, don't forget to substitute pi over 6 and 0 into this expression, giving us half sine pi over 3 over 2 plus pi over 6. Substituting 0 into this expression will only give us 0. Next, we have half square root 3 over 4 plus pi over 6. And don't forget to answer to the question. Look over here that the denominator is 8. So we can bring in half to give us square root 3 over 8 plus pi over 12. Don't forget to answer to the question by writing the word shown. Now I do hope you have learned something from this video. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the comments box below. And thank you so much for watching.